United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 13, Low Tide Elevation. 1. A low tide elevation is a naturally formed area of land, which is surrounded by and above water at low tide, but submerged at high tide. Where a low tide elevation is situated wholly or partly at a distance not exceeding the breadth of the territorial sea from the mainland, or an island, the low water line, on that elevation, may be used as the baseline for measuring the breadth of the territorial sea. 2. Where a low tide elevation is wholly situated at a distance exceeding the breadth of the territorial sea from the mainland, or an island, it has no territorial sea of its own.